In this video, I'd like to talk about how we can use Excel to count the number of cells containing a specific word. So on the left, as you can see, I have a bunch of ingredients, and in column C, I want to do a count of how many cells contain the word apple. Now, if you're not case sensitive, we could do a simple COUNTIF and pass in the range, which is in this case column A, and then I want to do a count of how many times apples appear, and I'll pass in a wildcard, in this case asterisk, and at the start and at the end, and do a count. And so this tells me that there are two cells that contain the word apple, which yeah, if you're not case sensitive, row 2, the apple at the start, and row 4, the apple at the end, contain the word apple, so that's correct. So this is a case insensitive match, and that's one of the limitations with COUNTIF. If we are case sensitive, however, another approach would be to use the find function and to do a count. So here's how it's done. First, we find the word that we're looking for, in this case apple, within column A, and then we want to do a count. And it's very important to note that we need to pass this in as an array, otherwise it will only return a value of 1 if a match is found, meaning the first value. So to pass it in as an array, we can type in the formula as such, and then we press Ctrl-Shift-Enter, and what that does is it adds the curly braces at the start and end. So here you can see we have only a count of 1 lowercase apple, and that's correct. So at the end we have 1 apple. So if I were to type in, say, banana apple, you can see here that the lowercase count does go up to 2, and if you're not worried about whether it's a capital A or small a, it's 3, so that's correct. So I hope you found this video useful. If you've got any questions, any comments, please do leave them in the comment section below, and I'll get back to you as soon as possible. Thank you.